Welcome to Auto. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Rockstar game server are unavailable error in GTA 5 online.
Fix 1. Check Rockstar's server status. Step 1. Go to https://support. Rockstar Games.com/. Step 2. Check if GTA Online or Rockstar services are down. Step 3. If servers are down, wait until they're back online. Fix 2. Restart game and launcher. Step 1. Close GTA 5 completely. Step 2. Restart Rockstar Launcher or Steam/Epic Games. Step 3. Launch GTA Online again. Fix 3. Check internet connection. Step 1. Restart your router or modem. Step 2. Use a wired connection if possible. Step 3. Test connection and launch GTA Online. Fix 4. Disable VPN or proxy. Step 1. Turn off any VPN or proxy on your PC/console. Step 2. Restart your game. Fix 5. Update game and launcher. Step 1. Check for GTA 5 updates. Step 2. Update Rockstar Launcher or Steam/Epic Client. Step 3. Restart game after updates.